Welcome back to Product Critique. Today we're reviewing what we confidently call the best acoustic guitar starter kit for beginners. The YMC 38 inches Blue Beginner Acoustic Guitar Starter Package. So, if you're new to playing guitar or looking for the perfect gift for a budding musician, this one's for you. Let's jump right in. Meet the YMC 38 inches Beginner Acoustic Guitar. It's a complete starter bundle that checks almost every box for a new guitarist. The first thing you'll notice is the striking blue gloss finish. It's stylish, clean, and eye-catching, definitely not your average beginner guitar. This model is right-handed, constructed with a full wood body using laminated basswood for both the top and back. The neck is crafted from birch and features an ebonized fretboard, a slick black wood substitute that gives a polished, professional look. It's lightweight, yet feels solid in hand. But what makes this a full-on starter kit isn't just the guitar. Let's look at everything that comes in the package. First, the gig bag. It's soft-sided but padded enough for basic protection, making it easy to take your guitar on the go. You also get a strap with end pins already on the guitar, so you can stand and play comfortably right out of the box. Not just one or two, you get 9 picks in 3 different thicknesses: 0.46 mm, 0.72 mm, and 1.0 mm. That's ideal for beginners to explore different picking styles and find what feels best. And YMC even includes a pick holder, a small but thoughtful addition, so you're not constantly misplacing them. Now let's talk customization and backup. This kit includes 2 pick guards. One is a teardrop style, and the other has a hummingbird design. One of them might already be pre-attached depending on how it's shipped, but you can swap or remove as you like. Also in the box is a full extra set of strings. That's all 6 standard steel strings, plus 2 extra high strings in case the thinner ones break while tuning. Something that's pretty common for beginners. Tuning itself is easy, thanks to the included electronic tuner. It's compact and accurate, and it even comes with a County Route 2032 battery already installed. Just clip it on and you're ready to go. Speaking of sound, the steel string setup gives it that bright, resonant tone. Whether you're strumming basic chords or fingerpicking simple melodies, it gives you that classic acoustic guitar feel that works across many styles: folk, pop, country, even light rock. But it's not trying to be. It's designed to be accessible, affordable, and functional, and it nails that. For under $50, you're getting a playable instrument with all the essentials to start learning from day one. There's no need to spend time researching or buying accessories separately. It's literally all in one box. For beginners, especially young students or casual learners, this package removes all the friction of getting started. It's fun, colorful, easy to set up, and surprisingly well equipped. So to wrap up, the YMC 38 inches Acoustic Guitar Starter Kit delivers unbeatable value. It's got style, substance, and everything you need to begin your guitar journey with confidence. If you're looking to learn guitar or gift someone the ability to do so, this might just be the perfect place to start. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you don't miss our next breakdown. Catch you in the next review.